we have Evan Napa, James Santoro, Jace Ryan, Jules White, and Christian Russell up on the gate. And we're taking 2 on this round. And it looks like James Santoro on the front. James Santoro, followed by Napa. It's Santoro, Napa, White, Russell, and Ryan.
Oh, as he comes.
It looks like James Santoro, I'm sorry, has the front, followed by Evan Napa, and Jules White, Christian Russell, and Jace Ryan. We're taking 2 on that one.